Hi everybody, a very good afternoon. I'm Justin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions and stuff. And it's me who's the brain behind the designs, the concepts, the finish, the quality, and the innovation and everything. And I take lots of pride in sharing my designs and concepts on social media and with other people and stuff. And I'm glad that I'm getting positive feedbacks and appreciation, from people I've been meeting and stuff. So, what is my share all about? So on a lighter note, I've got this yellow light in my room, and I've got one ad campaign playing on my head, which is a Bajaj campaign. जब मैं छोटा बच्चा था थोड़ी शरारत करता था मेरी चोरी पकड़ी जाती और रोशन होता बजाज. So if you remember this ad, which is a very cute one with this guy in a quilt and everything, and he's not supposed to be reading his book and stuff, and he's in a quilt and he has the Bajaj bulb in his bed, so he's reading that. So the note the video is about basically kind of avoiding burnout and kind of enjoying yourself in a creative fashion and stuff. So why am I sharing this? I'm sharing this because I see lots of people who are in this thing about multitasking. I do it most of the time. I'm multitasking. The moment you get up in the morning, you become a multitasker because you've got so much happening in the morning to evening and stuff, and you got your work, you got your calls, you got your list to make, you got your emails to do, you got your friends to meet, you got to be in the gym and stuff like that, and you have future like futuristic plans about where you want to go, when you want to go and stuff like that. Okay, so the campaign plays on my head now because I would have preferred a white light here, but anyways, in this room I've got this light, and it's not that bad. I mean, it could be better outside today. The sun is not out, but it's pleasant and stuff. So these are a few lines from being present, and being present in the moment, being present about where you are, your environment, not being wired or looped into far-fetched videos and podcasts and stuff of people, and living their lives or living their situations in your head and stuff. It's like a story or a narrative or a thriller playing in your head and stuff like that. So to be in the real world and to be in touch with the real world, you have to be in the moment. So get yourself probably a coffee or a cha, or probably have some stuff on your table. This smells so nice. So the moment I start feeling a little you know low on energy or stuff, I just get this aroma, and it just totally uplifts me and just opens up my mind to being more creative and more of being a thinker and stuff like that. So the lines are basically about how do I streamline my multitasking tasks and achieve my objectives of the day and stuff, and how do I kind of get rid of burnout and underperformance and stuff. Okay, so video 2 follows. I think I'll do something about the light as well and be back in a jiffy. Yeah, bye.